Unified Search is a one-stop shop for all component searching and placement in system capture. It derives its name from unifying multiple sources of data, such as managed libraries, local libraries, and even third-party libraries like UltraLibrarian or Symantec. Queries in Unified Search are powered by an Elasticsearch algorithm, which makes entering a search string much more user-friendly. Unified Search can interpret the input and produce the closest matching results rather than just exact matches. For parametric search, filters allow a user to view all properties for the displayed results and to narrow down their search, much like many are already used to doing in popular component sourcing websites. Alternatively, filters can also be set and locked to help filter out unwanted parts or to influence component choice. All part properties can be inspected in the Details panel, as well as previews of the schematic symbol and footprint. To place a part, simply double-click on it, or right-click and place the part from Unified Search, or select the desired symbol view from the Details panel and click the green plus. Third-party libraries can be used to either place parts directly onto the canvas or to add parts to local libraries. Parts found in these libraries can have any combination of a schematic symbol, footprint, 3D model, or datasheet, and these can all be quickly seen in the results as well. Special filters such as lifecycle, ROHS compliance, part preferred status, and other custom options can be set to use special indicators to help with quickly scanning results.